Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the BTMCL Gamer Mixer in Zirc here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment. You can also check out Fablades.com or at Fablades on Instagram if you want to see more about this kind of stuff. Would you look at that? This guy comes with this pelic case kind of thing, waterproof. I'm assuming there's a rubber gasket going on over here. You got your actual toy over here, set of spare parts, key to take apart the carbon fiber face. You got this grid which is going to get installed here, but you need some glue to take to put this there, and you got a couple of spare buttons, clicker for these two buttons right there. And here you got your toy. Let's quickly check out this size. You got a 1.1 inch in thickness, a 1.97 in height, and right over here is 0.58. So very interesting size for this fella. For example, that's the Tom EDC Mahjong slider. This is the Black Mirror design Choclick. Here you have Lauti Shuffle. This guy is the ACEDC Gamer slider. Here you have Gamer. Sorry, this is the Gamer slider. This is the Milkia, also from ACDC. Here you have Compoform Argyle, and this guy over here is the Mackie Capsule CP2, and also like Onewoo camera slider, just to show you another one right over here, also from Onewoo Studio. That is the classic bulletproof shield in Zirc as well. So you have an idea of the size of this guy. I also reviewed this one in G10 and titanium, I believe, but guys, this is on another level. Sorry. This is carbon fiber, there is brass, there is mokutai, there is zirconium polished. It's very, very complex, a complex toy. And just slides. I mean, these two sides are sliding. This side is like a pad, has like a very subtle sound to it. Not as clicky as these two guys, which are, by the way, rotating. You can see, you can adjust them. The Mokutai inlay, it doesn't do anything. And these, you even have like ceramic ball bearings in it. So a plethora of materials going on for this fella over here, which is the Gamer Mixer. So a mixer, usually, you know, is something that you have levels and you have kind of like a turntable over here. And guess what? This guy has steps, so it clicks, but also like rotates like that, so you can, you see, rotate like this, and it's pretty cool. So multi-fidget toy over here, because also you have this sliding action. So right over here, actually this is supposed to be not on this side, but on this side, you have this function here. So this guy can just slide, or you can have it like slide and just come back. You see, like use like the magnets on these sides to attract and repel each other, so that this guy comes back. It's like a unique action. Never found this kind of action in anyone. Or you can just like be like that. You can be very loud and obnoxious, or like very quiet and discreet. That's, you know, the maximum noise that you're gonna make with the buttons. So can be discreet or can be obnoxious and driving everybody that's close to you crazy. So here you got really the best part that I like over here is the polished Zirc. Of course, you got BTMCL right here in the back, and the carbon fiber are matching fantastically. A splash of color from the brass, and the Mokutai is just fantastic, and these silver screws are just sealing the deal for me. Really interesting toy. This guy's running on 4 ceramic ball bearings. You got 6 magnets screwed in. These are not glued in. And here you can see I put some film, like protective film, to have it slide a little bit more smoothly and to avoid any kind of scratches. So it's something that you can do. The kind of film looks kind of like this, and you can also use it for the shields, for example. And it's gonna help preserve the finish of the metal, and it's gonna increase a little bit the smoothness of the sliding action. So, I mean, this is a slider, it's a clicker, it's a little bit of like a, not a spinner, but like a haptic kind of deal going on, and it has a very unique action. Let's quickly check the weight, because this guy is not like super lightweight. There's quite some heft to it. In fact, this is gonna be, look at this, 3.78 ounces in your pocket. And just remember that. You can carry this guy anywhere you want and be discreet in the pocket, just do like that. Or you can just be a little bit louder and produce some interesting clicking noise. So, I mean, it's a pretty cool one, guys. I like the Gamer Mixer. This is a nice one, especially in Zirc. So, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.